First of all, what is advanced manufacturing?
Well, there are common traits. Let's say that there are three main characteristics. Technology is advanced, management is advanced, organization is advanced.
Yeah, also advanced manufacturing puts together product, processes and systems to create a solution to specific customer needs or societal needs. Now, how is advanced manufacturing useful for our society?
Well, there are many needs. One first need is to be responsive to customer needs.
Yeah, for instance, you want to produce the products personalized on the customer needs, but also it's important to provide products timely, with timely delivery, and also the ability to create new products in a short time.
There are the needs of the future generations.
Yeah, obviously you want to reduce the environmental impact and save the planet.
You can do it in many ways. You can reuse the products, so you are working in the frame of circular economy. You can improve energy and material efficiency. You can enable high efficiency production systems. But overall, let's remember that manufacturing is producing products for all the industrial sectors.
One of the reasons to follow this stream is also to have good job opportunities. And there are a lot of job opportunities. In fact, if you deal with advanced manufacturing, you have to deal with an international environment, you have to deal with the top companies in the field, and also you have to take advantage of the fact that Lombardy is a key player, so you have all the companies around Milan. So as you see, we strongly believe in advanced manufacturing and we are putting a lot of energy in it.
And we hope you share with us.